Hello students and friends, welcome back to Learners Academy. Today I'll be sharing my handwritten notes for chapter 9 carbon compounds. Today is day 9, chapter 9. Question number 2A of the board exams, give reasons worth 4 marks. Let's begin. Crack your 10th boards with guarantee, question wise preparation for exams. Just prepare these give reasons from each chapters to ensure 4 marks from question 2A. Yeah. There will be 3 questions asked in question 2A. You have the choice to attempt any 2. I will always suggest you attempt the entire paper, attempt all the 3 questions, because that's the best thing we can do. We must know all the give reasons by the time we give our board exams. In chapter 9 carbon compounds, we have 5 most important give reasons. Let's begin with the give reasons. Get above 95%. Yes, I give you a guarantee. I have a weekly strategy for you. If you give 2 hours or 3 hours, and if you wish to give 4 hours depending on your interest in science, if you give this much time to science every day right now after the month of October, November, then you know that science is divided into science 1 and science 2. Science 1 has physics, chemistry, science 2 has bio and EVS. So for me there are 4 subjects: physics, chemistry, biology and EVS, which is other sciences. Finish one particular subject in 1 week and you can do it very easily. Give oral test to your parents or involve your younger and elder siblings too. You know, it's really interesting when you make your younger sibling or elder sibling a part of your study strategy. This becomes a very enjoyable activity and a very playful learning pattern. You benefit and they also learn and participate. So basically this is an arcade and a fun way of studying. You can make your siblings or your family members participate in your studies. You will definitely benefit. So without further ado, let's begin with the give reasons. Give reason 1. Carbon atoms have the property of catenation, or carbon compounds can be unlimited / carbon atoms have the property of forming unlimited compounds. Why? Due to the following reasons. Carbon has the property, wait a minute, let me take a highlighter. Carbon has the property of catenation, that is, it can form single, double and triple bonds. Due to this property of carbon, it can form many straight, branched or ring chains. Let me highlight this: straight, branched or ring chains. Hence carbon atoms can form unlimited bonds. This is a very easy answer. Let's move to the second give reason. Ethylene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. I had made some mistakes here, so you can see the corrections and listen to me. Many of these answers were checked, so go as per the correction. Don't go as per the blue ink. Go as per the correction. Ethylene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon due to the following reasons. Ethylene, its formula CH2 double bond CH2, is an unsaturated compound as it has a double bond between its carbon atoms. Valency of 2 carbon atoms is not satisfied by single covalent bonds. Hence it requires a double bond to satisfy or complete the valency. Thus ethylene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Very easy, very interesting. Now let's move to the third give reason. Naphthalene burns with a yellow flame. Naphthalene burns with a yellow flame due to the following reasons. Sorry for the crop over there, it's a little cut, but we have the answer, no problem. Naphthalene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. In unsaturated compounds, the proportion of carbon is greater than that in the saturated compound. Some unburnt carbon particles are left behind during the combustion of unsaturated compounds or hydrocarbons. Yellow light is emitted during the burning of naphthalene, hence the flame appears to be yellow. Therefore naphthalene burns with yellow flame. Very easy and a very interesting answer. Let's move to the fourth give reason. The color of iodine is lost or it's disappeared due to the reaction with vegetable oil, because vegetable oil is an unsaturated carbon compound. It contains multiple bonds as their functional group. Very important. On reaction with iodine, addition reaction takes place between vegetable oil and iodine, which makes it saturated. In this test, to the the color of iodine is lost, which indicates the presence of multiple bonds. Very important in vegetable oil. Hence the color of iodine disappears due to its reaction with vegetable oil. Most important answer of this chapter. I'll call it the frequently asked chapter by the frequently asked answer by the teachers, even loved by many students who are interested in this particular part of the chapter, this particular subject. Very easy and very interesting answer. This definitely comes either in a prelims, term exam, second prelims, or it may even come in the board. We don't know. Okay, last give reason. The hydrogenation of vegetable oil in presence of nickel Ni forms vanaspati ghee. This same answer or the same type of question was present in the third chapter, that is chemical reactions and equations, the formation of vanaspati ghee. I have taken the formula from chapter number 3 of science 1. Correct me if I am wrong in the comment section. I'm pretty sure I'm saying the right thing. This formula is taken from the third chapter, but the give reason lies in the 9th chapter. So many chapters are interrelated. Be sure, be very accurate. Okay, let's begin. Vegetable oil is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. It has long unsaturated bonds and has multiple bonds as the functional group. Very important line. It undergoes addition reaction in order to become a saturated carbon compound. Very important to mention the formula: vegetable oil liquid plus hydrogen gas. That reaction takes place at 60 degrees Celsius under the catalyst nickel, and it forms vanaspati ghee, which is a solid. When vegetable oil unsaturated compound is hydrogenated under nickel catalyst at 60 degrees Celsius, it forms vanaspati ghee, that is a saturated compound. Very important answer, very easy answer. Study this well. Mention the formula as it's always required. The formula is worth 1 mark. Okay, so now this was the last give reason. Keep learning, my dear friends. Share all your knowledge with friends. Stay tuned, stay healthy, stay safe. Before that, let me just give you a few steps and few tips for science. Keep on reading your book thoroughly. Just read the book thoroughly. It is very important. Either make your own notes, or if you have someone in contact, like someone who's got above 80, 85%, 90%, or a 95% student in science, ask them to give their notes, a senior student. We've already published many homeworks and many other give reason notes on Learners Academy, and we shall be uploading continuously. I guarantee if you revise all these notes on a daily basis, it will become very easy for you to score good marks, and it will be very easy peasy for you. If you plan your work, it doesn't remain a burden for you. Your work becomes very easy. So yeah, that's how I would like to conclude today's video. Be very accurate, plan your work on time, study very hard. All the best for your 10th standard. I'll be uploading more videos. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Stay tuned to Learners Academy. Bye.